Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to find and remove duplicates in Microsoft Excel. Alright, so I have this list of employees and I'd like to ensure that I do not have any duplicates. So I'm going to make sure I've highlighted the cell values I would like to search or remove. Now you're going to click on the data ribbon. Once you click on the data ribbon, you need to find there's a remove duplicates button. Now, depending on your computer or your application, it might name it duplicate values, but if not, you're looking for the two blue boxes with the white in the middle and the red X. That's going to be your remove duplicates button. Again, yours may say it on the right hand side of your data ribbon. So if you click on remove duplicates, now it's going to ask you what you'd like to search. I'd like to search to make sure none of my employee IDs are the same. So I'm going to unselect all and then select just column C. And it says, alert, there were 3 duplicate values found and removed. Now there are 6 unique values that remain. So then you could save this workbook if this is what you need. You could always undo what you had just done. I hope this video helped you learn how to find and remove duplicate values in Microsoft Excel. If this video is helpful, please like this video, share it out with anyone else who may benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and I will catch you in the next video.